Welcome to our channel. Today we how to download competitor price history with Keepa alerts, beginner guide step by step clearly. Open your web browser and navigate to the Keepa website. If you don't have a Keepa account yet, click on the sign up button and create your account. After signing in, locate the search bar at the top of the home page. Enter the Amazon product's URL or the product name to find the item you want to track. Once you find the product, click on it to access the detailed price history chart. On the product page, look for the Alerts section. Here, you will see options to set up different types of alerts. Select the Price Drop Alert option if you want notifications for price decreases. You can also choose Price Raise alerts if you want to monitor when prices go up. Set your desired minimum and maximum price thresholds. Once you've set your parameters, click on the Create Alert button. You can manage your alerts by going to the My Alerts section in your profile. If you want to download price history, scroll down to the price history chart. You will see the option to export the data. Click on the Export button to download the price history in your preferred format. Check your Downloads folder for the file you just exported. Now you can analyze the competitor price history at your convenience. Keep in mind that your alerts will notify you via email or through the app when prices match your criteria. You are now equipped to monitor competitor prices effectively using Keepa. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.